This is the Ajaz AK820, another pre-built keyboard that is budget friendly and creamy sounding. This pre-built keyboard comes with the cable and a switch and keycap puller and the manual itself. I really do love simple design keycaps because they always match with everything. But the bonus here is they have shine through keycaps just like my Ola F75. The switch option I chose was the red. I think that's the only option that they have. And if you thought $75 was too expensive or a little bit out of your price range, this budget pre-built keyboard is coming in at around $50. This pre-built keyboard honestly sounds so good out of the box, but I'm going to show you how to make this $50 keyboard sound like a $200 keyboard. The shop owner's not making any money on this keyboard, so he's only putting 40 of them up. I have it linked down below.